For years, the most powerful artificial intelligence was locked away, developed behind the closed doors of a few tech giants. A black box, accessible only to those with immense resources. What if we could take that box, smash it open, and give the power of AI to everyone? That's not a what if anymore. It's happening right now. This is the story of the open source AI revolution. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how it's changing the world and how you can be a part of it. So what exactly is open source AI? Imagine a gourmet chef's secret recipe. A proprietary model is like that secret recipe, locked in a vault. You can eat the food at their restaurant, but you'll never know how it's made. An open source model is like a recipe shared with the world. Anyone can see the ingredients, the source code, and the instructions the model waits. You can use it, study it, modify it, and even create your own new dishes from it. So this approach has three incredible benefits. First, accessibility. It breaks down financial barriers. You don't need $1 billion budget to work with a state-of-the-art model. Next, transparency. Researchers can look under the hood to understand how the AI works, identify flaws, and build trust. You're not just using a magic box, you're using a tool you can actually understand. And then, collaboration. It sparks a global brainstorming session. Like, a developer in India can build upon the work of a researcher in Brazil, leading to faster innovation for everyone. And, we're not just talking about small-scale models here. We're seeing powerful, large-scale open-source models emerge. For instance, Stable Diffusion completely changed the game for AI-generated art, allowing anyone to create stunning images from text. And models like Bloom and Meta's Llama series are massive language models that provide a powerful alternative to closed systems like GPT. So, how does this actually unlock innovation? Well, it's about democratizing power. For decades, if you were a small business or a solo developer with a brilliant AI idea, you were dependent on the APIs and platforms of big tech companies. You played by their rules and paid their prices. Open source shatters that dependency. Now that small startup can download a powerful model and fine-tune it for a very specific niche task, something a large corporation would never bother with. This empowers individuals to create custom solutions, from an app that helps farmers identify crop diseases to a tool that assists a lawyer in sorting through legal documents. This also supercharges research and development. When a model's architecture is open, the entire global AI community can work on improving it, finding its weaknesses, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's the difference between one team of 100 engineers and a global team of 100,000. Which one do you think moves faster? This isn't just a theoretical revolution, it's already here. In the creative industries, musicians are using open-source AI to generate new melodies, writers are using it to brainstorm story ideas, and artists are creating entire worlds with tools built on models like Stable Diffusion. But it goes far beyond art. We're seeing AI-powered solutions for social good. Imagine a healthcare clinic in a remote area using an open-source diagnostic tool trained by experts from around the world to identify diseases from medical images. Or conservationists using AI to analyze satellite imagery to track deforestation in real time. These aren't just ideas. They are active projects made possible by open collaboration. The real power is in personalization. You can actually build AI tools for your specific needs. For example, a teacher could fine-tune a language model on their own curriculum to create personalized quizzes for their students. Or say, a hobbyist could train a model to identify different types of birds from photos taken right in their backyard. Honestly, the possibilities are truly as limitless as our collective imagination. Now, this new world isn't without its challenges. With great openness comes great responsibility. How do we ensure these powerful tools aren't used for malicious purposes? We must address potential biases in these models. If a model is trained on biased internet data, it will produce biased results. Transparency helps as researchers can audit the models, but it requires a conscious effort from the community to build fair and equitable AI. Data privacy and security are also paramount. When you use an open source model, you have more control over your data, but you also bear the responsibility for protecting it. So, what is the future of AI? The open source movement is not slowing down. We're seeing models become more powerful, more efficient, and easier to use every single day. This will continue to shift the balance of power in the AI landscape, fostering more competition and innovation. The ultimate question is an ethical and societal one. Democratized AI means more people have access to incredible power. This will force us to have critical conversations about the kind of future we want to build. A future with open, transparent, and collaborative AI holds the promise of being more equitable and innovative than the closed-off world of the past. The AI revolution will not be centralized. It will be distributed, it will be collaborative, and it will be open. The tools are in your hands. The only question left is, what will you build with them? Explore open source AI. Links are in the description. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more.